doing your work properly. As your exams are near, essay exams in the September month, so we have to do revision daily. We have to read the chapters daily of each and every subject. So be prepared for your exams. Your exams will be in the September month, in the after the half month of September. Exams will be there. So be ready for that and revision अच्छे से करना है हमें सबने. जो भी टीचर आपको टेस्ट के लिए बोल रहे हैं आप सबने टेस्ट देने हैं. Is that clear? So student, now which chapter is going on in our EVS session? Yes, chapter number 10, that is story of food. So today is the day, that is the revision day. Today we will revise this chapter. I will give you the recap of this chapter. After that we will do the book work of this chapter. So everyone, you have to keep your book with you. So let's start the recap. Before that, I want to tell you the password of the day. Password of the day is eucalyptus. Is the name of a plant, is also known as Safeda, and this is a medicinal plant which is used to cure nose and throat disorders. Okay, so this is the password of the day. Eucalyptus. 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 Okay, so this was the password. Now move on to the chapter number 10, the story of food. In this chapter I told you about these topics, that from where do we get food, right? I told you we get food from plants, some food from animals, and I told you about the journey of food, how food reaches to our plate from feeding. And then next was food preparation at home, how your mother cooked the food, how you are helping your mother. And then last topic was balanced diet, that what is balanced diet. And I hope every concept is clear, but still if you are having any doubt, then listen this session carefully till the end, and in the end we will do the book work of this chapter also, so be ready with that. So firstly, the first topic we will be talking on this topic, food from plants. So some food we get from plants and some food we get from animals. So I told you about the food that we get from plants, like cereals. Cereals includes rice, wheat, okay, etc., maize, millet, these things. So we get cereals from the plants, right? We get medicines from the plants, like I told you about the so many tree names. Like first was that was the password of the day, quinine. Quinine is the medicine for the malaria. Today's password is for used to cure throat and nose disorders, and neem is used to cure the fever, and tulsi is used for cough and cold. Okay, so these are the some trees which are the medicinal plants. Okay, so those from those plants we get medicines. Then next we get oils also, right? Oil from plants like groundnut oil, mustard oil, so coconut oil. So all oils we get from plants. Plants से मिलते हैं हमें oils, and those oils which we use in cooking are known as edible oils. Clear? We are applying coconut oil and mustard oil on hair also. So we get those oils from plants. Okay, then the next is we get spices from plants, right? We get spices from plants. Spices like मसाले जो हमारे घर में खाने को टेस्टी बनाने के लिए यूज होते हैं. Okay, so we get chili, black pepper, ginger. So these are some spices which we get from plants. Clear? Turmeric is also spice, and it is also medicine also. So turmeric is used to on the wounds पे use किया जाता है, and turmeric is a spice also, जिसे हम हल्दी कहते हैं. That is known as haldi. Okay, then after that I'm talking about fruits. We get fruits from plants. Clear? We get fruits from plants, and we get vegetables. Vegetables में हम अलग अलग plants का part हम खाते हैं, like parts of plants. If we are talking about the parts of plants, sorry. So parts of plant, if we are talking about, the first is I'm gonna talk about the root. We eat some vegetables which are the root of the plant, and then root, and we can say it, stems. We eat some stems of the plants. We eat leaves of the plants, flower of the plants, flower like we can say cauliflower, right? And we eat fruits of the plant. See, fruits are the vegetables, but जो part of plant में include हो रहे हैं उनको हम fruit कहते हैं, but they are vegetable. But on the part of plant, if we are talking about, so these are the fruits like brinjal or tomato. These are the fruits of the plants, but we are eating as a vegetable. Clear? So this was about the first topic, that is food from plants. Now I am talking about the food from animals, the food which we get from animals. Animals से हमें क्या क्या मिलता है? We get milk from animals. We get milk, and milk से हम क्या क्या चीजें बना सकते हैं? We can make ghee, butter, curd, cheese. So these are the things which we can make with the milk, जो हम milk से बना सकते हैं. Then next, if we are talking about the food which we get from animals, like milk we get from goat, buffalo, and cow. Then we are eating. If some people eat non-vegetarian, non-veg also, so that eat fish and chicken. So these are also they are getting from the animals. Clear? That flesh of other animals, like if some are eating flesh of goat, that is known as mutton. So this was about the food from animals. Clear? Then I am talking about the third topic, that is journey of food. So what was journey of food? How food reaches to our plate from the field. I told you about the 4 steps. The first step, farming. First step of the journey of food is farming. सबसे पहले farmers farming करते हैं, and the first step for the farming is they have to make the soil very soft, and for that they have to plow the fields. For plowing the fields, after plowing the fields, they just dig the furrows. Furrows are the rows, and उन furrows के अंदर वो seeds को put कर देते हैं. Clear? They put the seeds in that furrows, and this process is known as sowing. After that, now crop needs water to grow, right? Plants need water to grow, just like crop needs water to grow. For that, they give water to the crops with the help of tubers and wells. After that, farmers add some fertilizers and manures. Manures are the fertilizers and manures are the chemicals, or we can say it. These are the cow dung. Okay, these are the waste material of the animals are used for that. It makes the crop rich in minerals. And then they spray some insecticide and pesticides also. If देखो crop के ऊपर कोई ना कोई insects या pest होते हैं, for that उनको kill करने के लिए they spray insecticides and pesticides on the crop. After that, now if the crop is now ripe, then it will be cut. उसको काट दिया जाएगा, and that process is known as harvesting. Now the crop is ready. Farming is done. First step is done. Now the second step is now crop will pack in the gunny bags and will send to the wholesale market. Then from wholesale market, this crop will go to the retailers like shopkeepers or the vendors which come in our streets. Clear? Then from vendors or shopkeepers, we will buy and food will come at our home. Clear? So this was about the journey of food, that how food reaches to our plate. Okay, then next topic is food preparation at home. Okay, I told you about a girl, like अपनी mother और father के बारे में बता रही थी और अपने बारे में, that at my home if I am talking about myself, at my home, my mother cooks the food. Me and my father helps my mother in cooking sometimes, or we can wash the vegetables. We wash the vegetables or fruits for her, so that वो आराम से काम कर सके, उनको भी रिलैक्स हो सके. Clear? She make breakfast, lunch and dinner, so we are helping her. Okay, like this you also can help her, and at night we can eat dinner with everyone. So this was about the food nutrition at home. Then the next and the last topic is balanced diet. What is balanced diet? Balanced diet is that diet which includes all type of nutrients. Nutrients are the first, I am telling you, protein, vitamin, fats, carbohydrates and minerals. So these are the nutrients which should be included in our daily diet. That diet is known as balanced diet, or we can say we are taking a healthy food daily. Okay, if you will eat junk food, if you will eat chocolates, candies and sweets, so it will make your health very like weak. आपको weak feel होने लगेगा because you are not eating something healthy. So you should eat healthy, you should eat green vegetables, you should drink milk every day, a glass. You should drink plenty of water. Okay, अगर आप अच्छे से water drink कर रहे हैं, आपकी skin, आपकी body hydrate रहेगी. Okay, now in the summer season, water is must, so you all have to drink plenty of water, 7 to 8 glasses in a day. Okay, so this was the recap of this chapter. That is all. Now we will do the bookwork of this chapter. So everyone just see the another point. Yes children, now we are starting with the bookwork. Everyone keep your book with you. Open your book, page number 60, and geometry things also. So page number 60, on page number 60 there are two multiple choice questions. Firstly we will do that. Okay. So multiple choice question, that is also known as MCQs. We have to pick the correct answer. So the first one is, yes, so first one is, which one is an underground stem? Which one is an underground stem? As I told you, we eat some vegetables which are stem of the plant. So options are given: potato, cabbage or banana. Potato, cabbage or banana. Yes, which one is the underground stem? Yes, you are correct. That is the first option, potato. That is underground stem. That is the stem of the plant. Okay, which grows under the ground. Then if I am talking about the second MCQ, it is the oils that are used in cooking are called. As I told you just now. अभी हमने recap में मैंने आपको recap में बताया ना, that oil which we are used in cooking. So oils that are used in cooking are called, first is option is edible oil, second is medicinal oils, and the third is hair oils. It is option number A, that is edible oils. Edible oils. Clear about this? Now after that, open page number page number 62. Page number 62. In this page, match the followings are given. We will do that. Matches. So first is here given in the left side. It is given milk. Second is farmers. I'm writing down here. Farmers, hen, and then a goat. And it is done. Okay. And in here right hand side it is written grow cereals. Next is complete food. Yes, then the C is meat, and then the D is eggs. Okay, now आपको इसको मैचेस लाइन ड्रॉज करने के बजाय आप क्या करें, यू विल राइट द नंबर. आप here you can write ABC also, or if you want here you can write 1 to 3 also. So don't put the lines here, so it will make you confused. The first is milk. For the milk raw cereals, is there any connection with it? Complete food? Yes, milk is complete food for the baby, newborn baby. So milk here, we will not draw the lines. It is the first answer, so I will write here 1. Okay. Then it is about the farmers. Farmers क्या करते हैं? Is there any connection with the meat or eggs? Farmers. No. So first is raw cereals, and it is the second number. Here we will write 2. Then next is hen. Hen gives us eggs, so it is related with the eggs. So here we will write 3. Then fourth, that is goat. Goat meat. Some people are eating the flesh of goat, that is also known as meat, and that is mutton. Okay, so it is answer of 4th. Clear? So this was about the matches and bookwork here, and after that page number 63. After that open page number 63. Page number 63. Here again MCQs are there. MCQs are there again. The first MCQ is, we make chapatis using for making the chapatis, what we are using? Yes, wheat, right? So wheat, rice or grain? The answer is wheat. We are using wheat for that. So the option number A is correct, that is wheat. So put a tick on this. Clear? Then the second MCQ is, we eat the leaves of the dash plant. We eat the leaves of the dash plant. Options are given. The first is carrot, cabbage or ginger. Carrot, cabbage or ginger. We eat the leaves of the dash plant. कौन से plant की हम leaves खाते हैं? Yes, cabbage. Right? We eat the leaves of the cabbage plant. So right here, option number B. Click on it, cabbage. Yes, children, now after that some fill in the blanks are given here. First fill up is, we treat our wounds with dash. We treat our wounds with dash. For that we use haldi or turmeric. So fill in the blanks. First one is, we will write here turmeric, and in the bracket you can write haldi also. Okay, the both are correct. Then the second fill-up is, dash is used for making idlis and dosas. For making idlis and dosas, which cereal we are using? We use rice. R should be capital because it is the first word of the line. Sentence. So write rice. R-I-C-E, rice. After that, the third fill-up is, dash is an underground stem we eat. We have to write one underground stem here. So here you can write potato, and also you can write onion, ginger, any of one you can write. Okay, these are the stems of the plant, that is underground stem. Okay, you can write any one of them. After that, the fourth fill-up is, farmers sell the food items to the dash. Farmers sell the food items to the dash. Yes, farmers sell the food items to the wholesalers. right? Then from wholesalers, it goes to the shopkeeper. WHOLE, wholesalers. SALERS, sailors. Wholesalers. Okay, students, now I'm giving you the homework. But before that, open page number 64. Page number 64. And again, there are two MCQs. So the first MCQ is, the part of a cauliflower that we eat is the dash. Part of the cauliflower dash that we eat is the dash. First option is root, stem or flower. Cauliflower. Name से पता चल रहा है that it is a flower. So option number C is correct. That is flower. Pick on this option. Then the second MCQ is, the complete food for a newborn baby is vegetables, fruits or milk. We did earlier. That is the C option again, milk. Okay, students, that is all for today. Now I am giving you the homework. What you have to do on page number 63, that practice exercise section A, you will do this time circle the odd ones by yourself. आपको अपने आप करने हैं, circle the odd ones, then write the names of the following pictures. I am showing you from close. Look, see, you have to do this C part, D part and also E part. It is like the sentences are given and you have to write it in the sequence, but you have to write only the numbers. First number पे कौन सा आना चाहिए, second पे कौन सा आना चाहिए, third पे कौन सा आना चाहिए, fourth पे कौन सा आना चाहिए. Okay, this is your homework. I will also write here also. Yeah, page number 63. C, D and E. Okay, this is your homework for the day. That is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this recap session. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.